You made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today what we're gonna cook is spinach soup. It's one of my favorite, and I really love it. All right, so here are the meats all set up. We have here smoked fish, goat meat. Then we have salted fish. Back home we call it Kobe. We have some tripe. We got snails and tilapia. Now let's get cooking. So with this soup, you can eat it with, it's mostly eaten with fufu, but it can also go with banku, yam, rice, or you can just drink it straight up, whatever that works with you. It's really good and healthy. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. All I'm asking from y'all is to hit the like button, share this video so others can see it, and also you can leave me a comment or a suggestion, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Help me grow my channel. Thank you very much. What we have in here is our goat meat and tripe. So I'm going to start cooking them first because I want them soft, and now I'm going to add in some chopped onion, Adobo all-purpose seasoning, garlic salt. You don't know what time it is. It's about to go down. Maggi. I mean, it's really hard, but it's fine. So a little bit of water. After a gentle stir, you leave it on medium heat and you cover it to cook. So we're about to marinate our fish with my homemade pepper sauce. I already have this video of how to make this sauce on my channel.
We can take a trip, just you and I.
So we coated every part of the fish with a homemade pepper sauce. We're gonna leave it to sit and marinate till it's time to put it in the soup. So we check up on our meat and it's doing good. And one thing I forgot to add is some salt to taste. So there we go. We're gonna go ahead and add in our vegetables, which is the tomatoes. First, you can choose any peppers that you want, and onions. Still on medium heat, you cover it and leave it to cook. Checking up on our soup. So the vegetables are soft enough. I take them out and I put them in the blender. So we're gonna try to scoop some of the stock from the meat and add it to the vegetables in the blender to enable it blend smoothly. Once we're done blending the vegetables, we're gonna go ahead and add it to the rest of the meat. Next, we're gonna rinse the blender with a good amount of water and add it to our soup. At this stage, we're gonna add in our snails together with the liquid that came with it. There we go. We're gonna give it a gentle stir. Popping up. It's about to go down. Y'all know what time it is. What we're gonna do is cover it and leave it to cook. So I would have preferred to add my salted fish right from the beginning. It must have escaped me, but I'm gonna do that right now. So we're getting our spinach ready to blend. So we're gonna go ahead and add in our fish that has been sitting. Y'all know what time it is. So here comes our dry fish. Here comes the spinach, the blended spinach. And we're gonna stir gently. We don't want to break any fish. Y'all know what time it is. Popping up. We almost done. So at this stage, you want to have your stove on low heat so it can take its time and cook and incorporate all the ingredients and stuff. You'll know what time it is. So we're going to leave it halfway covered, just as I have it. So at this stage, I'm going to add in some extra pepper for extra heat. Y'all know what time it is. And I'm going to toss in some okra straight from the garden, fresh from the garden. I wish y'all could smell the aroma of this joint. So I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate the love. If you were a new subscriber, welcome to the family. It's about to go down. This is pretty easy to make and very, very delicious. As I said before, it's actually one of my favorite soup.
I ain't never gonna slow down.